I'm going to be showing you how to install an exhaust fan in your brand new bathroom. What you'll need to complete this project is your exhaust fan, your template which comes in your box, your plaster saw for cutting out your hole, screwdriver for screwing your fan in, your grey lead pencil for marking out your template, your sticky tape to hold up your template, your measuring tape so you can measure where you're going to put your template, your PPE and your safety gear, drop sheets to protect your newly laid floor, and also your ladder so you can get up there into those tight spaces. So before I commence my work, I've been into my ceiling, I've had a look where my joists are running, making sure there's no electrical cables, no installation in the way, because if you're drilling into that, that could cause danger. So first up, what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my template in the exact position where I want to cut my hole out and install my exhaust fan. So what I'll be doing first, before I get up on the ladder, I'll be putting masking tapes on a couple of the corners, so when I get up there, it's nice and easy, just keep it steady. So I'll be using a painter's tape. We have got a freshly painted surface, so this will make sure we don't peel any paint off. So once you've got that on nice and securely, you can put it on the other sides, so you get a nice even finish. So our next step will be to mark out our template. So once I've finished drawing my template, I can now take this off. Gently, of course. And there we have our template, nicely set out. Next step we'll be doing, we'll be cutting our template out to create a hole for our exhaust fan. So what I'll be doing first is creating a pilot hole for us to use our cuts. I've also got my drop sheets on my floor to keep it protected. So now we've cut our hole out, you can see where we're ready to put our fan in. So our next step, once I've got our nice hole cut out, is to actually install our exhaust fan. The way we're going to do this is make sure we've got our power point nice and out of the way, so when our electrician comes along, it's easy for him to find. Also, you can see these little clips on the side, and when I actually screw from the front here, these will actually turn out and give us a grip and stop the fan from falling out. So now I've got my fan in place, all I need to do is tighten my screws. So as you can see, it's as simple as that. If you follow your manufacturer's instructions, you shouldn't have any issues. Last of all, what I need to do, put our handy little plate on to give it a nice, even look. So all we need to do is just find where our clips are located and press them straight on. And there you have it.